Hey lovelies, welcome back to MomovalltradesDIY. This is Tia and I am here with another Dollar Tree walkthrough. Look at this guys, Easter decor is everywhere at Dollar Tree right now. There's so many eggs in Dollar Tree, and check out this cutest little rubber ducky, such a dazzling color. And look at this DW from Arthur, and I found some jelly bean cotton candy and some more cotton candy. And then I was so excited to look at this summer finds. Look at all these flip-flops, they look so cute. And then I moved on to this auto section, and I found all these cool stuff that you can go and watch along. And I got super excited when I found these sparklings. I've been looking for them for such a long time. If you're following my videos, you know, like in how many dollar stores, Dollar Trees I have checked for that. And then I found so many cool toys at the pet section, and going to quickly on stationery section, and follow along and check out what I'm gonna show you. I love this $5 lanterns, they're so cute. I bought one for my backyard, and look at all these cool stuff. And then I found this bird feeder. I was looking at the same one, this metal staked bird feeder on Temu, and online they cost like $16, $12, $13, and at Dollar Tree you're just getting it for $5. I think what could be better than this deal. And then I have to check the crafter section. I love that one because it comes with like different kind of stencils, laser cuts, paper craft. And look what I found. This is so cute, you know, like those stamps that you put on the envelopes. They look super cute. You don't have to just go all the way to like do all the process where they melt some kind of plastic or something. I don't know very well about that, but these stickers will do. You don't have to do all these things. And then I found these cool rub-ons and some wood stickers, beautiful. And check out more rub-ons. We have some new at Dollar Tree right now, all the cool new paper crafts, and all these things are super cute, and I really enjoy that. And check out these stickers. And then I have to buy some yarn, my new hobby that I really enjoy, doing some crochet and knitting, and Dollar Tree is helping me for that. But to be honest, I'll give my honest review here. I wouldn't buy that, second time, because they're not, if you're like a beginner like me, that they're not worth it. You need to buy a good quality where you can easily knit. So then I found these cute alphabet decor or beads, and then I found these applicators. And then at the crafter section I found these colorful googly eyes. I looked at different kind of vases, different designs, and then I have found these colorful ones. And check out these new ones, I've never seen them before, so they're cute, like diamond kind of shape. And then I have found these candle holders, more colors. They're so chic, aesthetically pleasing. I love them. They're also coming like in different colors. And then I found this huge pile of terrarium, and then wired jute cord, and many different kind of brushes at the crafter squares. And look at all these cool signs, and some more crafting paper pack. And I saw this like winter kind. I had to buy this tree of life. And then I found like some summer vibes tumblers, cups, so cute. brand alert. Check out these Maybelline lip colors, so cute, so fresh. And some lip glosses from L'Oreal, and some more lip colors, beautiful colors. And oh my god, I was in love with this color, maroon, so pretty. Electronic nail kit, that's totally new at Dollar Tree. Eyelash case, I've never seen this before. And look at this hyaluronic acid bubble, I think that was a mask. And then God Bless America, those signs are super cute for July 4th. And then I found some hair accessories, and then I found this shampoo brush, which is really good for your scalp, and it really helps with no, wait, what? I found this Alani coffee at Dollar Tree, and that is only for $1.25. That's amazing, because at Target you found them, you buy one of them would be $2.69 or $3, which is a really good bargain at Dollar Tree. And then I found all brand new products for the cleaning: carpet and room deodorizer, laundry detergent sheet, wrinkle away, and some mosquito coil. And then I found this multi-purpose cleaning paste that is a perfect dupe for pink stuff. And then I found these stain remover wipes, that's new. And then I found this mop at the bottom of the mop for wet and dry floor. I've never seen that before at Dollar Tree, so awesome, really good. And then you can also put the top, you can get the top from the bottom basically. And then there's microfiber mop cleaners. And then I found some dusters, and then another duster. And then I found these cutest little containers, and these Disney ones. I had to buy this for my daughter. That's definitely coming with me. And all cutest glass. And then I found these measuring cup, I really needed one. And then I find this McCormick one. And then I found these cutest Easter baskets, so pretty.